I recently stumbled upon this channel that creates faceless videos that are going viral across almost all social media platforms with thousands and millions of views. What makes it even more interesting is that all these videos are created entirely with AI. No camera, no face, no technical skill needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this same type of videos using Filmora AI V15, which makes it incredibly easy to create viral faceless videos with consistent characters and even make those characters talk like this.
You always know how to make my heart melt.
Every moment with you feels special.
Here, try this.
Everything is AI-powered, simple, and beginner-friendly. This entire video was created using Filmora AI, from generating the character images, turning them into videos, making the characters talk, keeping the characters consistent throughout the scenes, and enhancing the overall video quality. All of this is done inside Filmora AI. Let me show you how to do this step by step. If you're a content creator who is still struggling to create AI videos and keep them consistent, in this video, I will walk you through how to create stunning AI images, turn them into videos, and polish everything inside Filmora AI. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. This is the Filmora website. To get started, click Download to install it on your computer, or you can use the link in my description. This is the Filmora AI desktop version. Click Create Project, and it will bring you to this interface, where you can see the different features available. I'll go right here and click on Stock Media. This opens up all of our AI media features, including video inspiration, image to video, text to video, video extend, and AI image. We'll be starting with the AI image feature, so I'll click on that. This screen appears, which is where you can add references for image consistency. Keep watching, I'll show you how to use that later. Here, you have the option to generate an image using Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, or Standard. I'll leave it set to Nano Banana Pro. Next, in this text box, I'll paste in my text prompt that I generated using ChatGPT. I'll leave all the prompts I used for this video in the description. Then I'll click Generate. It starts generating and boom, there it is. I also generated more images using the same prompt, and honestly, they all look amazing. I go ahead and select one, save it, and then export it straight to my desktop. So cool. Now, for character consistency in image generation, head over here, still under AI Image, and click on this photo box icon to import the image we just generated. This will be our reference image. Click Upload and drop it in here. Next, in the text prompt, you can describe the image however you want it to look. For example, here I typed, "Both couples are sitting on a chair with a table in between them filled with plates of food, a champagne bottle, and glass cups." Then I click Generate. It starts processing, and boom, here it is. Can you see how it maintained the character consistency even though they're in a different position? That's exactly how I was able to create these other images while keeping the same characters across different settings and outfits. Finally, to turn the images into videos, I'll click on Image to Video. Here, you'll see different video model options like VO3 and others. I'll go with Sora 2, then click here to upload our image. I'll pick one of the images I generated earlier and upload it here. Next, I'll paste in my prompt, including the dialogue of what I want each character to say. Just make sure to put all dialogue in quotation marks, and then hit Generate. It starts processing, and here it is. Let's preview it.
I don't know why you keep pushing me away.
Ken, you know I love you, but the time is not yet right.
Then let me change that.
It is really amazing. The sound quality is top-notch. And that's how I turned all the images I generated into videos. Now, to polish everything, I'll bring all the videos I generated one after the other into the timeline. You can add transitions, and as you can see, there are a lot of very interesting ones. Just pick any transition you prefer and add it to your video. You can also add effects. Filmora has a lot of cool effects that can give your video that cinematic feel, so feel free to explore and experiment. Finally, click Export and export the video to your computer. And here is our final video.
Ken, can you take me out for dinner tonight?
Babe, you know your wish is always my command.
I don't know why you keep pushing me away.
Ken, you know I love you, but the time is not yet right.
Then let me change that.
I still can't believe how beautiful you look tonight.
You always know how to make my heart melt.
Every moment with you feels special.
Here, try this.
Let me know in the comments what you think about this AI tool. If you want to get started right away, click the link in my description. And if you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.